Hi, this is Bhakya. In this video, we are going to learn phonic sounds of last five consonant letters, that is V, W, X, Y, and Z. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button for further notifications. What letter is this? V. What's the sound of V? V. 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 Vulture. V. Vulture. Violin. Violin. What letter is this? W. What is the sound of W? V. 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 Watermelon. V. Watermelon. V. Worms. Worms.
What letter is this? X. What's the sound of X? X, 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 X. Box. X, X, X. Box. X, X, X. Fox. X, X, X. Fox. What letter is this? Y. What's the sound of Y? E, E, E. Yuck. Yuck. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. What letter is this? Z. What's the sound of Z? Z. 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 Zebra. Z. Zebra. Z. Zip. Z.